How do you take an already great tire and elevate it to the next level of performance and comfort? You start by creating a unique tread design, unlike any that's come before it. Then adding an extra touch of style and an impressive lineup of 75 sizes. That's how you get a tire that leaves your expectations in the dust. Introducing the all-new Sumitomo HTR A P03. This all-season high-performance tire is tuned for sports car, sedan, and crossover drivers seeking the ultimate combination of precise handling and enhanced wet braking. Compared to its predecessor, the ASP03 now features 14 new sizes with comprehensive coverage, focusing on larger rim diameters and W-rated fitments. This tire delivers superior wet road grip, extended tread life, ride comfort, and outstanding winter traction, ensuring your ride will never be the same. It all starts with Sumitomo's new advanced fin-shaped evacuation channels that minimize hydroplaning for enhanced wet weather traction. The unique tread design also delivers crisp, predictable cornering, providing better handling and stability mile after mile and turn after turn. When winter strikes, advanced sipes work together to keep you connected to the road and in control during inclement weather. On the inside, a full-width nylon band optimizes high-speed stability, while reinforced steel belts provide lasting durability, and a solid high-tension apex strengthens the sidewall for enhanced cornering. For total peace of mind, the HTR ASP03 comes backed with a warranty protection package that includes an up to 65,000-mile treadwear warranty, 2-year 24/7 tire roadside assistance, a 1-year tire road hazard protection plan, free 30-day test drive, and free lifetime replacement for workmanship and material defects. If you're ready to experience the next generation of all-season high performance, then it's time to upgrade to the Sumitomo HTR ASP03.